Bishnoi movement started in the year 1700s, that is 1730, in Kejarli, Rajasthan state. Amrita Devi along with Bishnoi villagers in Kejarli and surrounding villages involved in this Bishnoi movement. The aim was to save sacred trees from being cut down by the king's soldiers for a new palace. Chipko movement started in 1700, that is 1973, in Chamoli district and later at Tehri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. Many leaders were involved in it. The main objective was to protect the trees on the Himalayan slope from the axis of contractors of the forest. Jangal Bachao Andolan happened in the year 1982 in Singhbhum district of Bihar. The tribals of Singhbhum raised against government's decision to replace the natural sal forest with teak trees. Appiko movement happened in 1983 in Uttara Kannada and Shimoga districts of Karnataka state. It does have a facilitator, Pandurang Hegde. The aim was again cutting off trees and making money from the natural forest and destroying of ancient livelihood. World Environment Day is widely celebrated in more than 143 countries. It is popularly been called People's Day to show their care and support for the earth and their environment. Knowing the ways to protect the environment is really very important. World Environment Day is the most renowned day for environmental action. Since 1974, it has been celebrated every year on 5th June. Forestation is the establishment of forests, plants and trees to grow on areas that had no plants and trees. Afforestation. Afforestation is the process of planting trees or sowing seeds in a barren land to create a forest. Deforestation. Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forest. This can include clearing the land for agriculture or grazing or using the timber for fuel, construction or manufacturing. Reforestation is the regrowing of forests that have previously been cut down. It is the process of specially planting native trees into a forest that has decreasing numbers of trees. Uses of trees. Trees provide food for humans, birds, animals and wildlife. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen back to air. Trees save water. Trees provide wood. Trees absorb dust and wind. Trees are habitat for wildlife. Trees absorb pollutant gases. Trees cool the street and city. Trees help prevent soil erosion. Trees mark the season. We get to know the season by looking at the trees. Trees provide income. Identify the trees. Sal tree, teak, teak, Kejari, Kejadi, Kejari. The story of Amrita is concerned with which environmental movement? Yes, Bishnoi movement. The sacrifice of 363 Bishnois became the inspiration for a much larger movement that is still growing today, in which villagers physically embrace trees to save them from cutting. Which movement was involved? Chipko movement. Who among the following was associated with Bishnoi movement? Option A, Amrita Devi. Option B, Gaura Devi. Option C, Govind Singh Rawat. Option D, Shamsher Singh Bish. Yes, the right answer is option A, Amrita Devi. World Wildlife Day is celebrated on option A 25th January, option B 2nd February, option C 27th February, option D 3rd March. Yes, the right answer is option D 3rd March. World Environment Day is celebrated on option A 1st June, option B 5th June, option C 10th June, option D 19th June. Yes, the right answer is option B 5th June. Which community of Rajasthan have religious belief for conservation of forest and wildlife? Option A Hadi, option B Bishnoi, option C Rajput, option D Thakur. Yes, the right answer is option B Bishnoi. Where are the plants planted? Why? Plants are planted in the gardens and along the roadsides. They are planted in gardens, in schools and houses because they look very beautiful and provide greenery. Trees give us fresh air. They produce oxygen. They are planted along the roadside as they provide shade to the travelers during summer season. Have you seen fruits on any of the trees? Who eats these fruits? Yes, trees bear fruits in particular seasons. Human beings and animals eat these fruits. Lalita feels that grass and small plants growing near a school wall have not been planted by anyone. Do you know any place where grass, small plants or trees are growing on their own without being planted? Forest is a place where grass, small plants and trees grow on their own without being planted. Why do you feel that the plants in the forest are growing on their own? In forest, rarely people plant saplings. Plants grow by seed dispersal that takes place by means of air, water and animals. The conditions required for the germination of seed and growth of seed are present in the forest. Thus, plants grow in the forest on their own. Do you remember what the elders of Kedli village used to say? The elders of this village used to say, Agar पेड़ है तो हम है. Yes, according to them, plants and animals can survive without humans, but it is impossible for humans to survive without them. Do you think we could survive if there were no trees and no animals? No, it is not possible for us to survive without trees and animals. Trees are very important for us as they provide us oxygen for breathing. They give us fruits, vegetables, food and various other products. Similarly, animals provide meat, eggs, dairy products, wool, etc. They are also used by humans for various other purposes such as carrying loads, protecting house from thieves, etc. Thus, we can say that we cannot survive without trees and animals. We do need plants and animals to survive on this earth. Why do people hunt? People hunt animals for their meat, skin and bones. In ancient times, people used to hunt animals just for recreation, which is morally wrong. There are rules against hunting of some animals. People can be punished for hunting. Why do you think that such punishments are required? Due to excessive hunting, some species of animals such as black bucks, tigers, etc. are on the verge of extinction. To save them, to protect them, the government has set rules against hunting. But some people ignore these rules and illegally hunt animals. There should be appropriate punishment to stop such people from hunting. Just to stop people from hunting, such punishments are really required to save animals, to protect animals. Where does Amrita live? Amrita lived in Kejagli village near Jodhpur in Rajasthan state. What was special about the people in Kejadli village? The people of Kejadli village took great care of plants and animals. Kejadi fruit is cylindrical and multi-seeded pod which grows up to 20 centimeter long. Can you tell the shape of the crown of the Kejadi tree? Yes, the crown of the Kejadi tree is dense, spherical, pure, spherical and shady. Which part of the Kejadi tree do people eat? People eat the fruit, beans of Kejadi tree. Which part of the Kejadi tree is dried and used around the year? Yes, the beans, the fruit. Which part of the tree is obtained in the month of May and June, which is nutritious and good to taste? Yes, the gum of the tree obtained during May and June is nutritious and good to taste. Which part of the Kejadi tree is used for the treatment of scorpion and snake bite? Yes, the bark extract of Kejadi tree is used in treatment of scorpion and snake bite. What are the unripe pods of Kejadi tree called as? Yes, the unripe pods are green and locally known as sangria or sangar. Which is the most common tree that grew in Amrita's village? Yes, Kejadi trees were the most common that grew in Amrita's village. What are the people of Amrita's village called as? The people of Amrita's village are called as Bishnois. Sometimes back, a film actor faced legal action for hunting an animal. Can you tell which animal is it? Yes, it is black buck deer. Where are these Kejadi trees mainly found? The Kejadi trees are mainly found in desert areas. Are there some birds or animals which cannot be seen anymore? Red-headed vulture, pink-headed duck, forest owlet, male passenger pigeon, blue pigeon, Himalayan koel. Have the number of some of the birds become less? Yes, the population of birds such as sparrow, parrot and myna have greatly decreased over the years. Shanti's grandfather told her that when he was a small child he saw more birds like sparrows and mynas that he sees today. Can you make 2 guesses why the numbers have become less? It's because of deforestation, cutting of trees, and increase in the number of buildings and pollution are the main reason behind the reduced number of sparrows and mynas. Write about any one tree. Mango tree. Does the mango tree flower? Yes. The mango tree gives flowers. Do the flowers remain on the tree throughout the year? No. The flowers do not remain on the tree throughout the year. In which month do mango trees' leaves fall? Mango tree is an evergreen tree, but usually during the dry winters, that is mid of October, November, their leaves fall and the new ones come during the spring season. Do fruits grow on the tree? Yes, fruits grow on mango tree. In which month do mangoes grow? The fruiting period of a mango tree is from May to July. Have you eaten mango?